Hello to you all again. Here in today's show, we're going to be cleaning an Ames inverter. Just cleaning an Ames inverter. It's been under the dust, just like under Mom's dusty old kitchen sink. It needs to be cleaned once in a while. Yes, needs to be blown out and cleaned. And today we'll be using a standard Walmart brush from Walmart and an old toothbrush. We'll just be using these two items throughout the whole show today. You can also order these online or simply go to your local Walmart. Let's begin. I'll start with the 8-inch brush, plus or minus 7 inches. Now, the first thing to do is get a little bit of dust away from the indicator lights right here, see? Now, it's probably better just to switch and go to the Walmart toothbrush that is in there inside of your toolbox. Just use the Walmart tool brush in, around, every bristle has to get in each one. Now this could take a while, but our show today has enough time to do this. So just go in and out, around, get that little bit of dust out of stuff. It's been sitting, just been sitting. Yes, this has been sitting probably for 2 years. And now it's time to dust. I like these brushes right here. There's nothing like it. Keep saving them, don't ever throw them away. But once we get done around the Phillips screws here that hold the cover on, we can simply get in the tight spots and get the dust out. Always got to get the dust out. Yes, sir. The 24-volt inverter charger by Ames can't be dusty. Let's just get it out. Get it out. Okay, let's switch this brush and just do a good job here. Yes, we'll just clean the indicators a little bit more and get the dust off the top portion and the sides. And sometimes you'll accumulate dust and junk all around the end of your bristles here. And what I like to do is just beat the devil out of it sometimes here on the leg. Oh, I like to do that. Don't you like to beat the devil out of stuff? Get the old devil out of there, right? And let's not get our bench too dirty, even though it's dirty anyway. So let's just go about and about, round and round. We'll go in the front too. Let's do this. Uh-oh, I think we're gonna have to switch to brush number 2. Just get this out, see? I haven't blown it out yet, but we need to take good care and be careful not to switch your switches here. Yes, they have switches. You have to learn about switches. Get out the manual and learn about the switches. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go across, up and down. Learn about the switches. And the inputs, too. Let's get the other side. I'm going to try to beat the devil out of that one, huh? No, that don't work too good anyway. So we'll come in the other side and we'll just clean and get this clean. Yeah, that ought to do it. Now, this is an inverter charger. Oh, yeah, it charges. It doesn't invert only, but it also charges. So, on today's show, we're going to dust an inverter charger. And there's some intricate stuff going on here, as you can see. We just need to make sure that all these little areas are nice and clean with the brush. Yes, sir, be sure. Oh, I'm sorry if the camera got off there a little bit. See? Yeah, sometimes the camera gets off. I get excited, you know. This is exciting. What could be better than cleaning an old 7 or 8 year old inverter that still works like it's supposed to? Okay, let's get the big one here and kind of just get ready here. And this is the cover wood to the inverter charger. That's a pretty messy situation there. Let's Let's get the dirt off that, okay? Yes, sir. Let's just get all the dirt off of that. And that's going to be the end of today's show, I guess. Be sure to clean all your brushes before you set them down. And we got a nice clean inverter here, ready to be put back into where it came from. So everybody have a great time. Thanks for listening, and God bless.